Thank you guys for tuning in. It's about to be Thanksgiving, so enjoy your Thanksgiving break. I hope you spend good quality time with family, and I do hope the Lord blesses you. Please do like, subscribe our videos. We're about to have a little bit of family time too, so I'm gonna take a break from building. But before I do that, all right, well, it's in the morning today, and I'm here at Lowe's. It's trim day, and I want to make sure I get all of the trim that I need. This is the best deal I found. This is I don't know, like 1x2 or something like that, and it is $5.30 if you get 10 or more. If you need it, 15. Okay, and here they are. They're almost perfect. I had an issue earlier. Let's see if I can get this off. Here we go. Had an issue earlier with a sprayer, and that's why I have been shying away from using it. It was shooting really thick, and I think the seal was enclosed. It's very hard sometimes to tell whether the seal, the front is closed, and if it's not, it ends up spraying really thick and sloppy. And I did it on here, and I'm not terribly concerned if some paint got on there. My hope is that I'm going to be painting this anyway at some point, but they came out good after I figured out what the problem was. So on to the next thing. There's quite a bit of work that I did not record because there was a lot of little things everywhere, and that caused a bit of a, I don't know, it was difficult to record. But let me show you what I have done. Alright, so I finished up the ceiling. I put these planks up to hide the seam. I did all the caulking. There are a couple of spots I saw missed. I'm gonna go do them really quick. But this is pretty much it for now. I'm gonna go ahead and here pretty soon I'll start cleaning up in here, because we need to do a little bit of paint touch-ups once the caulking dries, and then finish up really painting and start bringing in maybe even furniture. That's kind of crazy, but at the same time I am working on what was it? I'm working on the deck, so I start getting the first few beams for it to make the whole support, and then after that I'm just gonna start bringing the surface pieces. as you saw, I got everything there. I'm gonna pull that outwards. I'm just having it there like that for the time being. I brought everything outside. The yellow wire is gonna go right into there. Then the black wire is what feeds the inside unit. Both hoses are right there, or the what do you call them? The pipes. Both pipes are right there. This is for the drainage for the water. So I'm done with the inside stuff. So for the time being, the only thing I need is, I haven't pulled enough of the yellow wire, so I'm gonna be pulling I need to pull another about 6 feet or so, maybe a little bit less, but I'll pull extra so I don't have to go and redo things. But that's the first half of it, I think. Here's what I have done. I'm sorry I did not film this because it took so long, but let me show you really quick. Okay, first of all, as you saw earlier, this is installed. Again, I'll tuck this wire away. I went ahead and did this. I need to buy the caps to close it, and I also need to get a seal to close around there. It's not the absolute prettiest. It's my first time doing it, but I ran the vacuum pump, and it has been holding negative pressure, which is what it needs to do, for the last about 10 minutes. I need to leave it longer to see how it goes, and then eventually I will release the Freon to go up, and in theory it's gonna work. But for now, all I have to do is kind of wait. I did put in a new breaker for this. It needs a 20 amp, so I put a 20 amp, and it's dedicated just to this, because between the outside part and the inside part, the outside part draws 17 amps, I think, 17 and a half, something like that, and the inside draws very, very little. But that's kind of what I need to do now, is wait. Good Wednesday morning. As you can see, it's early in the morning, and I'm getting to the point that I think today I can finish the extreme majority of the inside, and then have to figure out a couple of things. But let me give you an update on what I'm doing today and what I'm hoping to do for the rest of this week. So yesterday I spent a little bit of time in the kitchen. I put spice racks on there, and they have hooks that go under here that you can go ahead and hang pots and pans or whatever else you might need. So my good question for today is, I'm wanting to put this up there, and the question really is, should I or not? If I do that, I need to pull a plug in here somewhere, and that's the big question for today. I got a trash can, and I got corner braces so I can put my corner shelf here. A lot of what I need to do is just simply clean.